All right, we're back on another walk and talk. I'm here with Hiep at HiddenLayer. Tell us, what do you do at HiddenLayer? What does HiddenLayer do, let alone? I would love to know a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so at HiddenLayer, I'm Vice President of Strategic Technical Alliances.
Yep.
What HiddenLayer does is we are a cybersecurity solution that protects AI against attack.
Okay. So I've heard great things about HiddenLayer. Since you've been at the organization, what is the strategy? Where's the target with North America? What's next for 2024?
Yeah, so it's really interesting because AI is this new emerging technology. You've heard of the .com boom?
Yeah.
I can call this the .ai.
Okay.
Every company in the world is trying to figure out how to adopt and embrace AI to solve whatever business or technical problem is. But just like any other emerging technology, it is ripe for attack.
Right.
And there's no solution on the market right now that is doing what we do, which is we focus on the machine learning model itself from the cradle to the grave.
Yep.
And when you're downloading a third-party model, it could have inherent vulnerabilities, malicious code, backdoors from a supply chain attacks, etc. So you want to make sure your model is safe and secure to use before you pour your sensitive data and information and proprietary intellectual property into it.
Yep.
When you put that model out and it's serving its purpose and you're putting it outside of the company, anyone can interact with it. And when they do that, they can infer information on the model itself. So they can actually steal the data that they're trained on. They can figure out the decisions that the model makes and utilize that to their advantage, or they could steal the model outright. Yep. There was a recent example where OpenAI, which we all know ChatGPT, which really made AI a dinner conversation worldwide.
Absolutely.
They poured hundreds of millions of dollars into their ChatGPTs. ByteDance, the company that makes TikTok, they started playing around with ChatGPT. And what OpenAI realized was they were actually trying to steal OpenAI's model. So it's a security risk. It's an intellectual property risk. So you want to make sure that you're protecting AI from the very beginning and incorporating security best practices when it comes to protecting your intellectual property around AI.
Absolutely. No, that's great. And we were speaking a little bit earlier. You said you've been in the industry for 20 years.
Yeah.
Throughout all the different companies, your whole entire career, what does HiddenLayer do, or what is it like for you that makes it different than any other company you've worked for?
Oh man, it's really at the end of the day, the people.
Yep.
The cybersecurity industry is a really close-knit community. Brilliant people. What I think makes HiddenLayer's company really unique is we're really purposeful in hiring the people that are brilliant in their own right, but also humble and hungry and always wanting to learn, always wanting to collaborate. So we have a very great culture in terms of we come across a hurdle, big or small. We rally around that. We figure out how to overcome that hurdle, and we just keep marching on. The company's been around only a little over 2 years.
Oh, wow.
We've raised over $56 million. And
Series A?
Series A.
Okay, awesome. Wow.
We're backed by Microsoft, more capital, Booz Allen, IBM, and Capital One. So those are the who's who in early adopters of AI. So they saw a clear need for this problem to be solved. And they chose HiddenLayer to invest their money into.
Awesome. Thanks so much for the conversation, and I appreciate it, Hiep.
Thank you.
Awesome.